Okay, success. I put the two uh, cables in and booted up the computer, and both monitors popped up. Um, I then adjusted the Manicam settings to just 1920 by 1080 on both screens. So I've got a little adjustments to make, but everything looks great. So now I've got two good monitors, and I've got, I'll have the work material over here on this monitor over here, and everything should be great. Got my fingers crossed. So I need to make a few adjustments, but first let me, let's see. Oops. So let's go to this, which I just ran. Let me run it again so you'll know that I'm not lying to you. Well, it looks like this ad is slowing the thing down big time. Bummer. I don't think that's the usual speed test that I usually use. Let me do it again here and hope an ad doesn't pop up. No, it does pop up. So, well, at least the speed is now moving along. I guess it's... Let me expand this a little bit and see if this is the same. Oh, result history, whatever. Okay, this is, yeah, this is the one I've been using for a long time. But they haven't had an ad popping up right there. So, now where do I want to go? I want to go to Amazon, that's it. And boom. Want to go to orders. I don't think that's the password. I think this is the password. No, that's not the password. Come on, don't do this. Well, I can't fucking see it. Oh, the hell with this. Close this. Gonna go back to Amazon. Which browser am I using? I'm using Amazon. Well, the hell with it. I'll just go with this, whatever it is, Microsoft Edge, and go to Amazon. Okay, go to orders. Here's what I just ordered. VESA certified DisplayPort cable. 8K DisplayPort, 6.6 foot, 8K at 60 hertz, 4K at 144 hertz. Of course, that's if your computer supports those. 2K at 240 hertz, I definitely does, So I'll put a link, to this information. I think for most people, it's just going to be, a cable, DisplayPort cable. But I guess if you have, high-speed computer and that kind of stuff, it might make a difference. I mean, it looks good to me, and it's working now for me. So. Huh. I'm glad they let the guards at the Arlington National Cemetery wear sunglasses if they need them. I've seen these videos before. Here's somebody that's 66 years old, bodybuilder, and either he got them for himself or somebody gave him as a gift these glasses that if you're colorblind, they correct it. Now I'm sure probably maybe not 100% people, maybe there's 2%, or I'm guessing, or 3% or some, there might be, but yeah, but it looks like, let's see what this looks like.
Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? Oh, there's something weird open. I'm younger than you.
My volume's not very loud. I got to check that.
He knows what it is.
I was going to guess.
Don't guess. You're going to guess wrong. You're going to guess wrong.
Really?
Yeah.
Some of these people appear to know, what it is, but they don't have it. They haven't had it. And so it leads me to believe that some of these glasses for people who are colorblind Must be really, really expensive, or else they would, they'd buy it themselves, or somebody would get it for them right away.
They probably still are you.
I don't know, now with that knee, I got all replacement parts.
Anyway, looks like this is going to take a while. Oh, wait a minute. Let's wait a minute. Let's see if he knows what it is. Yeah, I don't think he knows really what it is.
Put them on. Sunglasses.
I think he maybe thinks they're just sunglasses. If so, if he just thinks those are sunglasses, he's gonna be blown away. He's seeing color for the first time.
Can you see with our
Yep.
eyes now, maybe?
He's checking.
Colors now?
Gonna have to get the sound, check the sound here after I finish this video. Yep, look at that.
Now you get rose-colored glasses, baby. Now you see with our eyes. You like the balloons?
A lot of times those people have balloons and things out there, and then they'll be asking the person, do you know what color this is and stuff. I guess that's enough. I don't want to take this. I don't want to steal this guy's video. I just wanted. Anyway. Oh. Yeah, I got to go check and see what's wrong with the volume. I've got it cranked up all the way. I need to. That's my next thing to work on. That's always something. I'll put the link below. I mean, like, I might not get it done immediately, but I'll get the link below to these cables. But as you can see, there was a whole bunch of companies selling, but I got these just now, a few minutes ago, and plugged it in, and I'm in business. So, thanks very much for watching. Got to remember to give whoever this video is that I just played a little bit of, got to put a link to that for them. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.